Hadin basa penduk tiket banya aireng sebagai election MLA ubak Bindo Lanong ubalong Chief Advisor ke United Democratic Party ulapan pendapat ba abok nia aireng kumu kertong independent dan nongkrem constituency ha kene ke election kabaka jing tap vote kan long ha ka arpo nyoterik ubanai rempang arajar arpulai ya kene ka rai ubak Bindo ula shim hadin bagi UDP kala ai tiket ya ubak Lambor Malngiang ubak Bindo haba keren bat kinong thok khubor haka arpotrik ubnai rempang arajar arpulai ula ong baka party UDP kanam job wat tang shipos seat hagani ke election ka banwan ula ong baka jingkam jong kinong elam ke UDP bakin job lai potli ki constituency kalong ka jingpok sneu ka bakin sha bat tang ka jing mudur.
I would like to officially make a statement on the controversial issue in connection with the allotment of party ticket. In the first instance, I would like to recall that during the whole year 2022, this issue had been debated, taken up by the party, and from day one, right from the beginning of last year, we had sittings, small sittings, committees and all that. And in all the committees that we sat where I was present, there were committees that I was not present, they sat among themselves. But whenever I was informed, the result will be just nothing but the committee appointed has found out that the ticket should be allotted to Mr. Lambor Malngiang, sitting MLA of Nongkrem, because reports that they received, the UDP leaders, 3-4 leaders in the UDP, all the reports were in favor of Lambor or Malngiang. So that was, the part that I would like to recall about how it started. From day one, they were in favor of Lambor Malngiang. Till the end, my team had gone to meet. They also wanted to meet my team, and they told us that don't bring too many people. So just maybe 10, 11, 12 and all that. So 12 people went, including these two also. They went and they met the party leaders, Judge Secretary, President and all that. And they didn't even have time to talk properly, as if they were in a great hurry. They did not even bother to listen, to the explanations, reports of the committee that met them, the committee which was in my favor. So they hurriedly announced that we met you because you wanted to meet us. So therefore, what we found out is that the majority of people in Nongkrem constituency and their voice are in favor of Lambor Malngiang for allotment of party ticket. We knew already. What they did a few days ago was just a mere, announcement of the mind of the decision already taken by them months and months ago. So it's not a surprise to me. The news did not surprise me at all. I was already informed about all this for many reasons, which I would not like to disclose. There are many reasons, many factors that the ticket went in favor of a person who was never in the UDP. And I will not break the party. I do not intend to break the party. It's my baby. UDP is my baby. I was there when UDP was born. I was there even before, UDP was created. I was with HPU, Hill People Union. I won also from the APHLC, the original political party. Party has taken 3-4 times a change because of so many considerations and 2-3 parties coming together and all that. Party has taken 2 or 3 changes in course of time. I remained still from day one till now in the UDP. I am in the UDP from day one till now. It's nothing but leadership issue. It's leadership issue. They are my juniors. All of them are my juniors. When UDP was formed in 1997, they were not there. They were not even in politics. I brought Gemino in 2013 and he won from North Mali. Meghalaya joined UDP in 2008. Where were they when UDP was formed in 1997? Paul Lendo came in 2009. I was there, when he joined the UDP 2009. So therefore, as I told you, 2-3 leaders are already finished. People will give them, the right treatment that such people deserve. They will see that. Therefore, I have already announced on the 16th in Lightcore. I had a meeting with all my leaders from different localities. I announced after taking their, their opinion, their approval. I placed the issue before them on the 16th, last 4 days. If there's anyone, I told them, anyone who would like to advise me to stay back, not to contest, to reconsider, I will accept. There was none. We were about 60 leaders in Lightcore Darbar Hall. Not even one came forward to say that you may reconsider. Nobody said that. So therefore, on the 16th, after receiving the 100% approval of my leaders, I have decided now to go forward. And I'll be by the side of the UDP. If not at the doorstep, I'll be at the gate. That's why I will name my new offshoot, the branch of the UDP, as UDPO, that is original. So after election, immediately after election, I will consider for amalgamation of my UDPO, which is just a branch of the UDP, with the parent body. I will go back to the parent body, and it will be easier for me. It will be easier at that time, after 2-3 leaders who oppose me are out. So I have no intention to create another political party. UDP is my baby, as I told you. I repeat, I have no intention. I'm going back to the UDP immediately after election is over. How many seats they expect? They said 25, 30 or something like that. I can predict. I can predict you. Maximum, to be fair with them. I don't think even 10 they will get. Not even 10. I predict not even 10. Had it been with me there together, we could have reached 15, 16. Not, but 30, I think is a
Exaggeration.
figment of imagination.